Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Snapchat account. So guys, let's continue into Snapchat. Then click on your profile icon and then click on the settings icon. Swipe down. Then click on I need help. Swipe down and click on managing my account. Then click on delete or reactivate my account. Then click on how do I delete my Snapchat account. And here click on the account portal. And then you need to enter your email and password. So guys, I have entered my email and password and now click on continue. As you can see, your account is deactivated. If you don't reactivate your account in 30 days, then your account is going to be permanently deleted. So guys, that's how you can deactivate your Snapchat account. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.